Hi guys, you're welcome to the second video on engineering maths. Now, what we have learned in the first video about numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers and integers, we want to apply it to this problem on the board. So the idea is we are going to place the appropriate word symbol. Okay, this pointing to the left is less than, and when it points to the right is what greater than. Okay, we are going to put it between each of the following pairs of numbers. So we have this pair of number, this pair of number, and this pair of number. So we are going to put these signs. Okay, we are putting this sign means the number is to the left. Okay, and we are putting this sign means the number is to the right. Now, let me quickly represent these numbers briefly. So we have our what 0 point, now -1, -2. Now it comes all the way down to what? -6. Now I've represented this. Okay, remember what we did in our first video. So this is smaller, and this, okay, is what? Larger, because we are moving from what? Smaller to what? Larger. Numbers to the left are always smaller than numbers to the what? Right. And numbers to the right are larger than numbers to the what? Left. So the question now is -1 is to the right. So we are going to put our arrow that points to the right. So like this. Okay. So what this means is -1 is larger than what? -6, which is at the left. Okay. Or -1 is at the right of what? -6, which is at the left. Okay. Now for the next one, we have, okay, I'm going to draw the line. We have 5, so we have 0, 1, 2, and down to somewhere here, which is 5. Okay, so there are 2, 3, 4, and down to 5. Now -29, we have -1, -2, and down it goes all the way towards -29. Now from this is what? Smaller, and what? 5 is what? Larger. Remember, we're moving from small to what? Large. Now, because we have 5 here, which is larger, so we can say 5 is larger than what is. So starting from 5, okay, larger means we are pointing to the what? Right. Or greater than. So 5 is greater than what? Minus what? 29. Okay, because you can see that 5 is at the right hand, or to the right of what? Minus what? 29. All right, so I'm going to do this one, then I'll allow you to try this one yourself. Okay, so let's try the next one, which is C. I'm going to quickly represent it. My 0 point, this is 1, this is 2, and it goes down to 7. So -14 should be somewhere -1, -2, and it comes all the way down to -14. All right, so we can observe that -14 here is what? Smaller, and this is what? Larger. Okay, so how can we now represent this? Okay, now -14, okay, since we're starting with -14, okay, it is smaller, so -14 is smaller. Now smaller, we are going to use this sign. We are going to point it to the left. So -14 is smaller than what? 7. All right, so this gives us the solutions to what? These problems. Now for this, I would like to what? I'd like you to do it yourself. Okay, check the number line, try to fix, the points, and, identify which is smaller and which is larger, and put your sign accordingly. Now, one way to always remember the larger than sign is your right arm. Your right arm points is stronger, is greater, and it points what? To the right. Okay, so once you identify with your right hand, okay, that it points to the right, your left becomes what? The left. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are going to be looking at lots and lots of what exciting, what problems, and learn more on engineering mathematics. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and share. Bye.